Welcome guys, and this is the battle pass of Skate 4 games. So it's called Skate Pass for the season first. I will go through all the items. You can pause the video and see what you can get right here.